In this tutorial, we show you how to create a new process and how to start initiating cases in this process. We'll use as an example a job application form. First, go and choose which of our process templates we would like to use. I'm going to choose a blank process template, which is uh, empty. It has just a new page and some sample text fill up in it. I will need to install the application. I choose the demo license. As soon as the installation is finished, I am sent to the configuration of the process, where I have general parameters, I have process capacity, process availability, I have an XML structure of the process. I can publish this or save it as XML. I have user access. For example, I can add user, which will be the owner of this process and will have access to all cases. I can define the number of opened and total cases per initiator. Here I have a process initiation URL address to initiate a case. This is a sample code to produce sample banner like this one. I can use logo for my applications. I can put the name HR application. I can choose a category for my process like Smart HR application, and I more or less configured almost all the parameters. I need to create a default view which contains the definition of how I want to see my cases listed. I define the column headings that I want in my view. I have here initiator name, initiator email, date of initiation, and the sample text fields that are in the form. I'll leave this as it is now, but I will come back later to define what I want to see in my default view. From here I go to the form designer. Where I define my form data. I have a new page which I can change by clicking this button to candidate information. I return to page content, and I have two sample fields which I can change by double clicking on it and changing the content. Then I can add other controls, for example, date. I will add birthday. Also, I can add other pages, like this form page. I have a name, additional. Control, and I see here I have a new page in my form called additional form, which is already selected. I can add now data to this. For example, I will add a list control. For example, status. I will add this as a control and as candidates single married status. This is more or less my application form. So I have it. Let's see now how to I see my cases listed and how do I create cases. For this I have to go to the cases portal, which I can see from the inside of the application. If I go on the cases portal, I'll see the default view. This is the default view that I defined before. I have this column heading, and I need to add here the data from the application. First, I'll go to choose this icon. View configuration form. I will remove the column heading that I already have, and I'm going to choose what I want to see in my view. I can choose between all pages and also some process variables. For example, I can set the initiator name or email, date of initiation, and the current status of this web application. I can choose, for example, the first name, last name, the birth date, maybe the civil status also. I can choose date of initiation. These are the data that I want to see in my that was now from the how I want to see the listing of my cases. If I go at the cases portal, I will see the first name, last name, birthday, civil status, and date of initiation as column headings of my. If I now will create the cases, I just stop on the process toolbar. It takes the data of the user who is initiating from the login. I'm adding now an application on behalf of Mr. John. If you see, this is a calendar control which gives me the opportunity to choose a date, because I chose the birth date was a date control and not a text control. So the first name and the last name were text control. If I go at the additional info page, I see here I have a list control which I now can choose married, and I'm done. I have the application, but if I click now the name of the process, I see this application listing, or I can click on the default view. I'll initiate a new case again. For example, I'll create Java application. Amanda Jones, birth date, then she's still married, for example. If I go back to HR application, I see now two applications. I have first edit tool here. Store. If I want to go back to an application, I just click on the icon, arrow icon on the left, and I go back and see the content of the application, including all data I entered: first name, last name, birth date, and the shipping info. This was. I can also click on the column heading in order to order the listing based on this column. If I click on the first name, again, I see, for example, here, this is a descending order. I have John first and Amanda second. If I click back again on the first name, I see Amanda first and John second. Or if I click on the civil status, I will see married first and then single. That's a single. But if I click civil status, I will see single up and married down. And one is so I can as easily order it. This is how what I need to get up and running with. Hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and you think it's quite easy to start.